Clues in context. Unlocking verb use in English collocations. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're delving into a fascinating area of English language learning. Common collocation mistakes, specifically misusing verbs in collocations. But don't worry, we're here to turn these challenges into opportunities. We'll focus on an effective strategy called using context clues to identify correct verb usage. Let's dive in. Understanding collocations is fundamental to speaking English fluently and naturally. A collocation is a group of words that often go together. For example, make a mistake, not do a mistake. When it comes to verbs, correct pairing is crucial. Misusing verbs in collocations can lead to awkward phrases and misunderstandings. Today, we'll learn how to avoid these common mistakes. The context of a sentence can help you understand and guess the meaning of an unfamiliar word or verify if a collocation is used correctly. These hints are called context clues. They might be the words surrounding the verb, the general theme of the sentence, or the grammatical structure. For example, in the sentence, I took a quick glance at the report before the meeting. If you didn't know what glance means, the context tells you it's a quick action related to looking at something. The key to using context clues effectively is practice. The more you engage with the English language, the better you become at spotting these clues. Consider this incorrect collocation. I did my homework completely. Here, the verb did is misused. The context clue here is the word completely. When you complete something, you finish it, so the correct collocation is I finished my homework completely. Let's practice together. Try to spot the mistake in this sentence. I will make my best to help you. The context clues are best and help. Do you make your best, or do you do your best? The correct sentence is I will do my best to help you. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you interact with English, the better you'll get at spotting these context clues. And that's a wrap. Understanding collocations and making use of context clues are powerful strategies to improve your English fluency. Remember, making mistakes is a part of the learning process. It's through these mistakes that we improve. So, keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure. Until then, happy studying!